Yo, what's up guys? Back at you with another video. Currently I'm with my brother-in-law, Jordan. We're currently going to pick up a mattress. You may have noticed the change of scenery. I'm not in the Shelby today. I am currently in my dad's F-150. We gotta go load up a mattress, take it over to my girlfriend's dad's house. It should be kind of interesting because, you know, this is a short bed. It's a 5.5 foot bed, and it's a king size mattress. You think it'll fit?
No, definitely not.
I don't think it'll fit either, but we're gonna give her hell. You know, we're gonna try our hardest for sure. But yeah, I'll update you guys once we get to where, well, we're getting that bed from my mom's house. So I'll update you guys when we get to my mom's house. We'll see if it fits or not. Bro, you want to feel the turbo?
Yeah, bro, let's feel this bowl.
Uh-oh. Whoa.
Whoa, dude.
Whoa.
To the floor?
Yeah. Whoa.
Wow.
Yeah. Dang. This truck's definitely faster than the Shelby.
It is.
For sure.
Yeah, dude.
For sure.
Yeah, dude. I put some tensies on it.
It's almost more fun to drive though, for real.
Yeah.
I feel like
For real? Well, it's more comfortable.
it's
sure.
way more comfortable.
I don't know about it actually being nicer, but well, the interior is really nice too. That's the one thing that you lose in a nice car like
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like I'm a king sitting on my throne in here.
that. Yeah, with the telescopic steering wheel.
Maybe I should have bought a
The
truck.
leather seats.
Maybe I should have bought a truck.
My butt's super warm, bro.
Your butt's warm?
Yeah, because of the seat warmer. You want yours warm?
No, I don't want my seat warmer on, bro. It's hot. It's 54 degrees.
The seat was freezing when we got in.
Or-
Beep, beep, beep.
Just in the event you guys have never tried the Monster imports, these boys, try them. I have a testimony right here. He just drank one. How delicious is
Yeah,
it?
that's definitely the way to go right there.
Little update.
West Virginia rigged.
King size mattress. 5.5 foot short bed in an F-150. Oh man, this should be really, really fun and exciting. Because we got to take it on the highway. It's about a 25-minute drive where we're taking it on the highway. So this should be really should be an experience. I don't really know what it's gonna be, but what are you doing, little girl? All right, well, we'll catch you guys up when we get it where we're going. You know, hopefully we actually
Make it there.
in but
one trip.
yeah, we'll see. We'll keep you guys updated. Little update. I'm not sure if you guys can see that in the back. Going about the speed limit on the highway, and nothing's flown out so far, so we did a pretty good job strapping stuff down, don't you think, Jordan?
No, it's horrible.
Nothing's flown out yet though, so we're doing
Better than some.
We're doing something here. We're doing something here. Little update. We made it. We didn't lose anything. We barely even had any straps on this thing. It was definitely strapped wrong, very incorrectly. But it's about a 25-minute drive. We didn't lose anything. It's pretty impressive. I seen you was trying to race me,
We have
bro.
this on here.
Bro, but I didn't want
to. We'll record a pull on the internet.
Yeah, we'll do a pull. Yeah.
We'll smoke
Dude,
you.
I'm telling you this, EcoBoost will leave you.
You really
sick.
think that your truck will keep up with this?
Yeah.
You swear, dude.
Yeah, I
this
did.
thing will
I have
leave
faith
you.
in my.
Bro, I'm telling you right now, these EcoBoosts really ain't no joke. For real.
Dude, there's no way. This thing won't leave you.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
What do you think?
Well, no, he won.
Yeah.
It's not that different, but he won.
Yeah. What do you think from a stop, though?
I think walking is.
Yeah.
Dude, that's ridiculous.
I'd like to see it, though. Just.
All right, so we just made it home. We got the truck back in one piece. We didn't lose anything on the highway. But I decided now it's just it's a good time. She hasn't had a bath since I've owned her. So, I mean, you can see she's really super dirty. I mean, for a Shelby, super dirty. You know, a lot of brake dust everywhere. She needs a bath. And it's like 60 degrees out. Feels super good outside. So I think it's a really good time to give her a bath. And pro tip, guys, if you're not super versed in the art of washing vehicles, always wash your wheels first. Hey, a lot of people wash their wheels last. You want to wash your wheels first, because if you wash them afterwards, whenever you actually go to spray them off, you're just gonna be spraying all that dirty brake dust and all the road chemicals and stuff back onto your clean paint. So those wheels on the GT500 have to be some of the worst wheels I have washed in my entire life. My fingers hurt from all the crevices. Anyways, once you're done, the rag's kind of toast. You're not going to want to use the rag. It's got all the brake dust on your paint. You definitely want to change your water out, so you can just go ahead, dump it out. Don't matter, really doesn't matter. Got my grit guard there. Take this, put it over here so my dog can't get it. So what I'm going to want to do now is spray this out really good with the pressure washer, and then you fill up your rinse bucket as well. So this bucket's going to be filled with soap water. You're going to use that to get your rag all sudsy and stuff. This is to rinse it out to keep all the grits in one bucket, all your good soap in one bucket. And I'm also going to be using the foam cannon, so should look pretty cool. Alright guys, so my GoPro actually died while I was in the middle of foam cannoning my car. So I'm not going to really be able to finish showing you guys the process, but what I can do is I can show you, you know, a couple little clips, maybe like a little montage of how good my car looks, because I actually haven't even seen it cleaned up really yet, apart from the day that I bought it at the dealership. And if you guys did make it this far into the video, I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys hit subscribe, make sure you like the video, maybe leave me a little comment, and make sure you turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and I hope you enjoy the montage.